Comparison Sibling: the 2024 Toyota Alphard vs 2024 Vellfire Minivans. 2024 Toyota Alphard and Vellfire Minivans revealed with up to 275 HP. A plug-in hybrid powertrain is planned for the people movers. Look beyond the gigantic grills and you might just notice a pair of minivans. Jokes aside, Toyota has unveiled the 4th generation Alphard alongside the Vellfire. These follow the recently introduced posh Lexus LM, a mechanically related vehicle based on the same TNGA-K platform. We're dealing with the first Toyota models to have steps on both left and right sliding doors, with a step emerging about 220 mm, 8.6 inches, above ground. The boxy minivans are 4,995 mm, 196.6 in, long and share a massive wheelbase stretching at 3,000 mm, 118.1 in. Both are 1,850 mm, 72.8 in, wide while height depends on the model and trim level, either 1,935 mm, 76.2 in, or 1,945 mm, 76.5 in. The Alphard and Vellfire can seat up to 6 people in a 2+2+2 layout with second-row captain's chairs. There's now an extra 5 mm, 0.2 in, between the first 2 rows and an additional 10 mm, 0.4 in, between the second and third rows. Toyota's new boldly styled people movers are touted as being luxury saloons and share a massive overhead console stretching from front to rear. It incorporates ventilation, side lighting, and an assortment of controls. The Alphard and Vellfire use the company's first pull-down sunshades and newly developed seats that promise to be more comfortable by reducing vibrations. Rigidity is up by 50% thanks to the new architecture, while the extra sound-deadening material and specific tires reduce the noise that enters the cabin. Toyota installs a McPherson strut front suspension and a revised double wishbone rear. Owners will be able to park the vehicle remotely by using a smartphone app. Both can be had with front or all-wheel drive as well as a hybrid powertrain, with a plug-in hybrid setup to be added later. The most powerful of the bunch is a turbocharged 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder engine available in the Vellfire. Tuned to deliver a sporty sound, it makes 275 HP, 205 kilowatts, and 316 pound-feet, 430 Newton-meters, of torque. Customers can also pick a hybrid based on a 2.5-liter gasoline engine with a combined output of 250 HP, 184 kilowatts. Lesser Alphard models have a non-electrified, naturally aspirated 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder unit with 180 HP, 134 kilowatts, and 173 lb-ft, 235 nanometers. Depending on the engine, the minivans come with a CVT, an eCVT, or an 8-speed automatic. Toyota projects it'll sell 8,500 units per month, with the Alphard accounting for 70% and Vellfire the other 30%. Pricing varies from 5,400,000 yen to 8,720,000 yen, about $38,000 to $61,400, for the Alphard, and from 6,550,000 yen to 8,920,000 yen, $46,100 to $62,800, for the Vellfire. The minivans can not only be purchased outright but also temporarily owned through the Kinto subscription service, from 50,490 yen, $355, a month for the Alphard and 63,800 yen, $449, for the Vellfire. The models are already available to order in Japan. Typically, the Toyota Alphard and Vellfire are sibling minivans and share many similarities, including platform, engine options, and features. Here's a general comparison of these minivans. Exterior and design: both the Alphard and Vellfire have distinctive, upscale designs. They often come with bold and imposing front grilles, stylish LED headlights, and eye-catching body lines. The Alphard may have a more luxurious and elegant appearance, while the Vellfire could lean towards a sportier and edgier design. Interior and comfort: these minivans are renowned for their spacious and comfortable interiors, accommodating up to 7 or 8 passengers, depending on the seating configuration. Expect premium materials, luxurious seating options, and ample legroom. Advanced features like multi-zone climate control, touchscreen infotainment systems, and premium audio systems are also common. Performance: Both models usually offer a range of engine options, including efficient gasoline and hybrid powertrains. The performance figures might differ between engine choices, but generally, they are designed to provide a smooth and comfortable driving experience rather than aggressive performance. Safety and technology. Toyota places a strong emphasis on safety features, so you can expect an array of active safety systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and more. Additionally, they come with modern technology features to enhance the driving experience. Price and trim levels. Since these models cater to a premium market segment, they tend to be more expensive than typical minivans. Prices can vary depending on the trim level and optional features selected. When comparing the 2024 Toyota Alphard and Vellfire, it's essential to consider factors such as performance. Look at the available engine options, power output, fuel efficiency, and driving dynamics to determine which model better suits your preferences and needs. Interior features. Check the interior design, seating configurations, technology features, and available amenities to see which model offers the comfort and convenience you desire. Safety. Evaluate the safety features and driver assistance technologies to ensure the vehicle provides adequate protection for you and your passengers. Price and trim levels. Compare the starting prices and available trim levels to see which model fits within your budget and offers the features you're looking for. Reviews and test drives. Once the models are released and reviewed by automotive experts, reading reviews and arranging test drives can give you valuable insights into their real-world performance and usability. Design and style. Consider the exterior and interior design aesthetics. Some people may prefer the Alphard's more sophisticated and elegant appearance, while others might be drawn to the Vellfire's sportier and more dynamic styling. Choose the one that resonates with your taste and lifestyle. Seating and versatility. Look into the seating arrangements and flexibility of both models. Some variants may offer captain's chairs in the second row for added comfort, while others might have bench seating for extra passenger capacity. Consider your family's size and how you plan to use the minivan to find the best fit. Cargo space. Evaluate the available cargo space in both models, especially when all seats are in use. If you frequently carry a lot of luggage or gear, a minivan with ample cargo capacity might be a significant advantage. Fuel efficiency. If fuel economy is a priority for you, compare the estimated miles per gallon, (mpg), ratings for each model. Opting for a hybrid variant may provide better fuel efficiency and reduce your long-term operating costs. Reliability and resale value. Toyota vehicles are well known for their reliability and high resale value. Research historical data and customer reviews to gain insights into the long-term ownership experience of previous Alphard and Vellfire models. Availability and market variations. Depending on your location and the specific market, the availability of certain trim levels, engine options, or features may vary. Consider what is accessible in your area and how it aligns with your preferences. Brand and dealership experience. Take into account your previous experiences with Toyota or other brands. Consider the reputation of the Toyota dealership in your area and the level of customer service they offer. Reviews and expert opinions. Once the 2024 Alphard and Vellfire are released, look for automotive experts' reviews and opinions from reputable sources. Professional reviews can provide valuable insights into the strengths and weaknesses of each model and help you make an informed decision. User feedback and ownership experience. Pay attention to feedback from current owners of previous Alphard and Vellfire models. Online forums, social media groups, and owner reviews can give you real-world perspectives on these minivans' performance, reliability, and overall satisfaction. Warranty and after-sales service. Consider the warranty coverage offered by Toyota for both models. A good warranty can provide peace of mind, especially when you plan to keep the vehicle for an extended period. Additionally, research the availability and quality of after-sales service and support from Toyota dealerships in your area. Optional features and upgrades. Review the available optional features and upgrade packages for both the Alphard and Vellfire. Identify which features are essential for you and which ones are just nice to have. Resale value and depreciation. Although it might be difficult to predict the exact depreciation of a vehicle, historically, Toyota vehicles tend to hold their value well. Consider the long-term resale value when making your decision, especially if you plan to sell or trade in the minivan down the road. Fuel and maintenance costs. Look into the fuel efficiency ratings and anticipated maintenance costs for each model. A more fuel-efficient and reliable vehicle could save you money in the long run. Insurance costs. Compare insurance quotes for both models. Insurance premiums can vary based on factors such as vehicle safety ratings, repair costs, and theft rates. Personal test drive. Whenever possible, schedule a test drive for both the Alphard and Vellfire. Experiencing how they handle on the road, their interior comfort, and how they meet your specific needs will be crucial in making the right decision. Towing capacity. If you plan to tow trailers or other equipment, check the towing capacity of each model. Some minivans offer optional towing packages that can increase their towing capabilities. Technology and connectivity. Evaluate the infotainment systems, smartphone integration, and other technology features in both models. Consider the user-friendliness and convenience of the systems, as well as the availability of advanced driver assistance technologies. Exterior dimensions. Check the overall dimensions of the minivans, including length, width, and height. Consider if the size is suitable for your garage or parking space and if it fits your daily driving needs. Interior storage and practicality. Examine the interior storage options, including cup holders, door pockets, and center console space. Practical features like fold-flat seats and configurable cargo areas can be important for your lifestyle and carrying capacity. Environmental impact. If eco-friendliness is a concern for you, compare the environmental impact of the engine options in both models. Hybrid variants may have lower emissions and better fuel efficiency, reducing their carbon footprint. Awards and recognitions. Look for any awards or accolades that previous generations of the Alphard and Vellfire have received. Awards for safety, design, and customer satisfaction can provide additional insights into the model's overall quality. Long-term suitability. Consider your long-term plans for the minivan. Will your family grow in the future, or will your needs change? Choose a model that will accommodate your requirements for several years to come. Availability of spare parts and service. Ensure that spare parts for the specific model will be readily available in your region, and there is a network of authorized service centers nearby for convenient maintenance and repairs. Brand loyalty. If you have a strong preference for Toyota or have had positive experiences with the brand in the past, this might influence your decision. Personal priorities. Take some time to list down your top priorities and rank them based on their importance to you. This will help you focus on the key factors that will ultimately guide your decision. Remember that a well-researched decision will lead to greater satisfaction with your purchase. Stay informed, consider your specific needs and preferences, and take your time to explore and compare the 2024 Toyota Alphard and Vellfire models when they become available.